transformation we're going to talk about is what's called a translation. And a translation is just a vertical and or horizontal shift. We're going to just, sometimes it's called a slide. We're going to slide it over somewhere. Okay. And when we do a translation, it is going to result in congruent figures. Okay. So when we do this, the size and shape is not going to change. Now, I'll come back to this, but what I want you to do, I need 3 volunteers. Okay, Haley, Ellie, Amari. Come up here and with your arms make a triangle right here.
Oh, brother.
Okay, make a triangle.
Well, you guys be good.
Okay.
What am I? This is not a triangle. This is not a triangle. There we go.
Okay, do you see the triangle? Okay, if I want to move the triangle and I say, hey, Ellie, take 2 steps towards me, is that triangle the same?
Yes.
As what it started? No, it's not. Okay, go back. So now if I say, everybody take 2 steps towards me, technically, do we still have the same shape? Okay.
Blinded right now.
Go sit down.
That must suck.
Okay, so we have to move every single coordinate.
Stop taking my cookies.
Put my scissors away. We have to move every single coordinate the same direction in order for our shape to stay the same. Okay? So what's going to happen is you're going to have something that looks like this. You're going to have X, comma, Y. Comma. Then you're going to have an arrow. And then you're going to have like X plus a number and Y plus a number. Okay, so whatever number is with X, what direction, when we plot an XY coordinate, what direction do we go if it's X? What did you say, Josie? Left and right, okay? So whatever this H is, that is telling us, if we want to be like professional, the horizontal shift. But really that just means which way are we going, left or right? Okay? That wasn't a question. That's what it's representing. I'm sorry. I'm clarifying, not a question.
TH?
It's like a plus H. This plus K since it's with the Y, is telling us, we'll be professional, the vertical shift, which that's just a fancy way for saying, hey, which way are we going to go, up or down? Okay. So this notation is just going to tell you, hey, we need to move right 5 and down 7, or left 2 and up 3, or are you just like
No, I'm just saying.
helping out?
Yeah.
Okay. Couldn't tell if you had a question or. So I was really nice, and I took the time, and I actually plotted all of these coordinates for you already, and I numbered all of your X and Y axes. Man, that was nice, wasn't it? Okay. So your triangle is already plotted. And what I want to focus on is this right here. So what do you think it means when it says x plus 3? Okay, which way is our triangle going to move? Okay, so x moves left and right, correct? Okay, so if it's with the x, this means we're going left or right. Since it's plus 3, do you think it should go left or right? Right, because we want to go in the positive direction. That is the positive direction, okay? So right here, I want you to write right 3. Y plus 2. If there's a number with the y, we're moving up or down. So this means up 2. We want to go in the positive direction, plus 2. Okay? Can you count?
Yes, sometimes.
If you can count, you can do this. Because what we're going to do, we're going to take each coordinate and we're going to move right 3 and up 2. Are you ready? So here I go. From A, I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3. And then from that spot, I'm going to go up 2. And here is my new A coordinate. So I'm not going to call it A. I'm going to call it A prime. We're going to put a little apostrophe on the A to show that that's our new A. Okay, how did I get there? I went right 3, up 2. Okay, now we're going to have to write where we ended up. How do we name this coordinate? What's the x comma y of this new coordinate for A? -3, 6. And then we're just going to do that with our other coordinates. With coordinate B, I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3. And then from there, go up 1, 2. There's my new B coordinate. I'm going to call it B with an apostrophe, B prime. Where did that guy end up? That guy ended up at 7, 3. Landon, do you have a question? Are you sure? Okay. Then from coordinate C, we're going to move right 1, 2, 3. And then from there, move up 1, 2. There's our new C coordinate. Where did our new C coordinate end up? -4, 1. Okay. I think it is going to be better for you to count on the coordinate plane and then decide what the new coordinate is. But I want to give you a way to check to make sure you did it right. This +3 and +2 is telling you what should happen with your x and y coordinate. So if I'm at -6, 4, if I add 3 to my x coordinate, do we get -3? If I add 2 to my y coordinate, do we get 6? Okay, so we did it right. Do you see what I'm doing here? If I'm at 4, 1, if I add 3 to the x and add 2 to the y, we get 7, 3. We did it right. Okay, so that can be a way for you to check to make sure you place them correctly. Okay. All right, while I draw the trapezoid in number 2, I want you to talk about what way are we moving 8, what way are we moving 7. You and your elbow partner figure it out. Go. Why don't I hear anybody talking?
You just talk.
We're very, very quiet.
So it's
Okay.
left
I can't really spell that well, so.
Bro, wait. Hold on.
What did you guys have for lunch?
Pizza.
I didn't. It was not.
There's pizza.
So whatever they bake sometimes comes through the vents. Yay! Thank you.
No, it seemed like pizza sauce and I don't know.
Okay. So, what direction, Matthew, are we going 8? Why did he change it to left? Because it's -8. We got to go in the negative direction, okay? And then the y -7, Kaylee, what direction are we going 7? So x has already told us to go left 8. Y -7 is telling us to go down. Okay. So if you need this reminder, x comma y. X means we're going right or left. Y means we're going up or down. I don't know who needs that reminder, but if you need to write that down, maybe that will help you. Okay? So, with each of these lovely coordinates, we need to go left 8 and down 7. Okay? Can you count? Yep. All right, I'm going to start with K. We're going to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from that new coordinate, we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where did we land? -7, comma. I think.
Oh, you will say.
I think it's -4, right? -7, -4. And you have those nice little numbers to help you, right? All right, L. We're going to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from there, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. There's our new L. Are you doing this with me? Or you're just goofing around? How do I name the L coordinate? It's on the x-axis. What little number is right here? So -6, 0, because it didn't go up or down any. Okay? All right, I want you to move and name M and N for me. You are in charge of M and N. I'll give you a head start, and then I'll draw mine. Move left 8 and down 7. I was going to check it off yesterday. Okay, I'm going to outline it in purple. Does yours look like mine? It doesn't? Does yours look like that?
Yeah.
All right, Matthew, what's the coordinate of our new M?
-7.
Huh? What? So, I said M, right? Okay, so what number is right here? On your thing. Negative 1, so that we went left 1, right? And we went down all the way. What number's right here? So, is it? Or is it 5? I think it's negative 5. For M? Isn't it? 2 minus 7? Yeah. Okay, and then our N coordinate right here. What's that coordinate, Landon? You didn't do it.
I did.
Oh.
Didn't.
Well, I think you went one too many
Yeah.
down. Is it negative 5, negative 6? Is that what it is? Yes or no? Yeah? Do you know where I'm getting those numbers? Be honest.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm just confused because I can't see it.
Oh, okay. I tried really hard to make my numbers legible for you. Okay, so what I want you to do, I want you to just look at number 3, and I want you to decide, we're not going to actually do number 3, but I want us to decide what does the x minus 7 mean, and what does the y plus 3 mean. So think about it in your head first. And we're going to answer this together. You're either going to say right, left, up, or down. Which direction are we going 7? Ready, set. Okay, good. So can you write left 7? We're going left 7 because it's with the x and it's minus 7. So that's the negative direction. Okay, on 3, you're going to tell me left, right, up, or down. 3. Well done. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to go up 3. Okay. Now, slide your eyes over to the top of the next page. We're going to look at number 7. Okay, I am going to outline this triangle in pink, and I'm going to outline this triangle in green. Which triangle, pink or green, is the first triangle? Why pink? Do you notice how the green triangle has these little apostrophes? That means it's the second triangle. Okay? So, how do we get, I'm just going to pick P. How far to the right do we have to go? I did not do a very good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it 9? We had to count 9 over. And then how many down? 3. So if I'm going to write this rule, x comma y arrow if we had to move to the right, what are we going to put right here? X plus 9 or minus 9? Plus 9. We moved to the right. We went to the right 9. We go positive 9. Okay, I'm feeling like we can do this one. What are we going to put right here? Y minus 3. Okay, could you turn to page 6 and 7? I would like you today to do numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. 4 of those, you're actually moving the coordinates. One of them is like this one where you're telling me what the rule is. Okay? So, let's get going.